Hello friends, our today's topic is column space and null space of a matrix. So what is column space? The column space of an m cross n matrix A is the span of column vectors of A. And what is null space? The null space of matrix is the set. It is denoted by null of A and it is the solution. It is all solutions to the homogeneous linear system. So let us consider one example of column space of A. So example is that for the given matrix A below, find a basis for column space of A where A is given and the order of A is, so here 3 rows, so 3 into 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. So order of A is 3 by 4. So how to solve this type of example? First of all, consider given system. So given matrix. Then for column space of A, we have to convert that matrix into reduced row echelon form. So what is reduced row echelon form? Reduced row echelon form is what? For leading element is 1 and all other elements from that column should be 0. Suppose your leading element is 1, then all other elements of that column should be 0. So it is in reduced row echelon form. So first of all, we reduce this matrix A into reduced row echelon form. So here is minus 3. First leading element is minus 3. So make it as 1. For making this minus 3 as 1, we use row operation R1 upon minus 3. After dividing R1 by minus 3, we get here minus 3 upon minus 3 is 1, 9 upon minus 3 is minus 3, minus 2 upon minus 3 is 2 upon 3 and minus 7 upon minus 3 is 7 upon 3, and write down R2 and R3 as it is. Now for making this 2 and this 3 0, we use row operation R2 minus 2R1, and for making this 3 as 0, we use row operation R3 minus 3R1. So we are doing changes in R2 and R3, write down R1 as it is and just change in R2 using this row operation. So here R2 minus 2R1, 2 minus 2 is 0, minus 6, minus 2 into minus 3 is plus 6. So here minus 6 plus 6 again is a 0. Then 4 minus 2 into 2 by 3. So 4 minus 4 upon 3. So it is 12 minus 4, that is 8 upon 3. So here 8 upon 3. Now 8 minus 2 into R1. R1 is 7 upon 3. So it gives 8 minus 14 upon 3. So it is equals to 24 minus 14 upon 3. So it gives 10 upon 3. Now do changes in R3 using this row operation. So R3 minus 3R1. So 3 minus 3 is 0. Then minus 9 plus 9 is 0. Then minus 2 minus 3 into 2 by 3. So here minus 2 minus 6 upon 3. So it is equals to minus 3 to the 6 minus 6 upon 3. So it is equals to minus 12 upon 3. It gives us minus 4. So here minus 4. Now 2 minus 3 into 7 upon 3. So here 3 get cancelled, we get here 2 minus 7. So it gives us minus 5. Now we have to make this second leading element as 1. For this we use row operation 3 upon 8 into R2. After multiplying R2 by 3 upon 8, we get here 8 upon 3 into 3 upon 8. So 3 get cancelled, 8 get cancelled, so we get here 1. Now 10 upon 3 into 3 upon 8. So we get here 3 get cancelled, 10 upon 8 is 5 upon 4 and write down R1 and R3 as it is. After that, here leading element is 1. So, we have to make all other elements from that column should be 0. So, make this 2 upon 3 as 0 and minus 4 as 0. For this, we use row operation R3 plus 4 R2 and R1 minus 2 by 3 R2. So, we are doing changes in R3 and R1. So, write down R1, R2 as it is and do changes in R3 and R1 respective operation. So, here we are doing changes in R3, R3 plus 4 R2. So, 0 plus 4 into 0, so it is 0. Then 0 plus 0, again it is 0. Then minus 4 plus 4, so it gives 0 and then minus 5 plus 4 into value of R2 is 5 upon 4. So, here 4 get cancelled, we get here minus 5 plus 5. So, again it gives us 0. So, it is our reduced row echelon form. Look at here pivot element is present. So, other than pivot elements, all elements of that column are 0, and here also pivot element is present, other than pivot elements, all elements are 0. So, it is in reduced row echelon form. So, for column space of A, we have to focus on pivot columns. So, here pivot columns are first and third column. Therefore, basis for column space of A is the first and third column of the original matrix A. So, here in basis for column space of A, we can write the first column vector minus 3, 2, 3 and the second column vector is minus 2, 4, minus 2. And also we have to focus here other than pivot columns are the linear combination with pivot columns. So, first of all we take here minus 3, 0, 0. So, we can write it as minus 3 into 1, 0, 0. So, we can write second column is linear combination with first column. Then take this fourth column 3 by 2, 5 by 4, 0. So, we can write this as 3 by 2 into 1, 0, 0 plus 5 by 4 into 0, 1, 0. So, we can write fourth column is in linear combination with first and third columns. So, here in that way we can find out the basis for column space of A. Thank you.